Hi guys, I just finished cooking this simple rice and vegetables, which is really simple, and you doesn't have to wash a lot of your cooking utensils, and also I mean like you doesn't have to mess your kitchen, and your dinner is ready in very simple way. So, and it's first time I'm cooking this way. It's inspired by one of my church sister Amy. So I just tried out how does it gonna taste like. So let me try first because I never tried this. Oh my god, it's too hot. It's quite good, but very plain. 很清淡的味道. Maybe I don't put much seasoning because I think I already put enough like oyster sauce and soy sauce and rest of the things. But it's up to you, whatever vegetables you want to use, and also what other seasonings you want to put in. You even can fry some garlic and add in for more fragrance, but I just try to make it as simple as possible. I don't want to wash a lot of stuff in the kitchen, so this is the best, I think, way of cooking which save your life. So if you like this video, do remember give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. Each of your subscription really means a lot for me, and do remember to comment what do you think about cooking this way. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.